Good evening, guys. Uh, I know it's late, but I just want us to check gold. I just want to analyze gold with you guys so that we can be able to see or to double check what can we expect like tomorrow, Monday, uh, which it will be the 17th of March 2025. My voice it's not there. I hope you can hear. But when we look at the chart, we can clearly tell that we are on a bullish time frame because the market have been doing like higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now it has created a higher high. I believe that it might come back and test here and then push back upward. So how can we catch this move? Let's go straight to daily time frame. On a daily time frame, what we are looking for, we want to see the candlestick of the latest Friday since we are going to Monday. Look at this candlestick, this one. Okay, let me zoom my screen so that you can be able to see what I'm talking about. Look at the screen, this candlestick. It can clearly tell that it's rejecting from this zone to come to this particular zone so that it can do what? It can touch here and then continue with the momentum. But it's fine. How can we catch it since we cannot just enter right here on this time frame? We mark our current high. This is the zone, and this is the current low. We don't want to do our chart to be messy. We want our chart to be clean. So now I will also highlight my zone with this yellow line and this one right here so that we can know where we are playing. We go to the 4 hour. We just want to confirm. Look what I'm talking about. Rejection. Now, look at these candlesticks. But before we break here, we cannot confirm that it's a selling opportunity to come for the retest before it pushes up. I'm talking about pushing up. I hope you get me. Now let's go to 1 hour time frame. On a 1 hour time frame, what do we see? We can clearly tell that here there is a session. I'm talking about the New York session. But yet still, we want to catch our entry like right here so that we can be able to hold our trade. Now let's go to 30 minutes time frame. On the 30 minutes time frame, I will just put my sessions on break where I want to know my date. Thursday, this is Friday. Tomorrow we are trading from anything that has happened on Friday and Thursday. But we have to check where the market is playing near the opening of the New York session. I hope I am clear as well as that. Now, I will just put my sessions on a break. As you can see, it was already prepared. You can only find this on the trading view. And then, now, let's check Friday, Thursday, which it was here. On Thursday, for us to catch gold, we were looking only to highlight our candlestick that opened on Thursday, which is this one, on it during the time of a New York session, during this gray highlighted uh, place. I'm talking about here to here. This is the New York session. This is the high. that happened on Thursday, and then on Friday, for us to catch this trade, we were expecting to see this market rejecting from here so that we can be able to do what? To buy and go up. But instead, the market, it did what? Why I am seeing a reversal or a retest. Look at this candlestick. It breaks here. Look at this following candlestick. It came and tested. Look at this momentum here. It's failing to break right here onto this candlestick that has broken the bank zone. From there, it means, as you can see, it's touching right now. If you have money in your account, like tonight, you can wait. If it open and leave this rejection, sell from here until right here. It's a bank zone, this one, until to this bank zone again. How can we identify whether this is a bank zone? Let's look onto our left hand side where there is this red line where it's coming from. All right. Now, look, touch reverse on this red line or yellow line. Look at here what I'm talking about. This is a valid bank zone because it has been tested in between a New York session time. I hope that is crystal. Guys, I am giving you something that you, not anyone, can give you. So right now, because this is the bank zone, look what happened. It break and test onto the very same bank zone. Now, because we are waiting for the market to drop and come to us, what we can expect. Look at here on Wednesday, we have a bank zone right here. Why is it this bank zone wide like this? It's because of this rejection and also because of here. On Wednesday, this was the bank zone. The market was ranging all over here, but around 3, look what happened. It came and tested, which means you were going to enter your buys here until until. But right now, because we didn't get that um, entry, it's fine. We are expecting that the market tomorrow will come here. I believe there might be a fake out that can come and test here. And let me just highlight it. Yes, that can test right here, reverse from here to here. Let me mark it correctly. It will come here from here, break, take out the sellers while they were expecting that it's a selling opportunity, yet it's a buying opportunity. And then a break coming here and then test the onto this zone and then push up. Meaning you have two options. Like from now, when it comes to gold, you can start your buying opportunities from right here until to this bank zone. This one we are just taking. Why? Because it's also a bank zone, but we have this valid bank zone of big resistance. It's a big resistance and a valid bank zone at the very same time, which means you can target here instead of targeting right here. So you can just target here and then you wait for the confirmation. After the confirmation, you have to make sure that you take your trade from right here onto this bank zone. This one right here. Because right here, it is Friday bank zone. Now, I will leave this chart like this. Let me close off my what you call my sessions on chart highlight. This movement tomorrow, I will give you after when it has happened. But anyone who wants to join me, you know where to find me. You can inbox me. But for now, you see, we are on Owanda broker analyzing gold like for tomorrow. When it comes to the bank zone, guys, you will never go wrong. All right. Let me just show you something very small, very quickly before I end this video. Now, because this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, we just put this horizontal line for highlighting what we could be expecting until last week movement. All right. Now, this was the bank zone of Friday. Okay. And it is a high bank zone. And then the low bank zone of Friday. If we wanted to catch a trade from this Monday, we were expecting to see things like these right here. Look at what happened right here. It came, it plays here onto this bank zone during the there it's half past, it's 3 o'clock. Mind you, now we have shifted from half past three, I mean half past four to half past three, and then it was just playing until now on 4 o'clock. Look at this candlestick. It tried to break here, it failed. Again, look what happened. It started to sell, meaning you were going to catch this trade knowing that it's a selling opportunity. If I can take this line and mark here where the market has reversed, if we can check on our left hand side, I tell you with no doubt, you can find that there might be a bank zone. This is a bank zone here. Let's go and check again. You see, look at right here. This is a bank zone, a bank zone, bank zone, and a bank zone. You see what I'm talking about? If you can master this, you are going to make a lot of money onto these things. Let's jump from Monday, we come to Tuesday. Now, we take this our highlight, we mark our high of Monday, bank zone, our low of Tuesday, bank zone. Therefore, now look what happened. The market was just playing until it came and reject. The moment it rejected from here, where do we target our take profit? Unto the next bank zone. Immediately after rejecting here, we enter with no benefit of doubt. We enter from here. We just put our stop loss at least here. We target right here. Look what happened. This is Monday late around 4. It ranges and ranges. On Wednesday again, look what happened. It came back and touched onto the very same bank zone until it came and hit the take profit. Look on Thursday, Wednesday bank zone. It breaks it nearly on the opening of the New York. It taps here. You just enter the market from here until when it breaks here, you can use this bank zone as your break even, putting your stop losses here. Meaning, even now, you could be just holding your trade if you are a person whom you have a need to hold. So, guys, this is the end of the video. Like, share, subscribe. If you want to me to go deep with it, give me that support, and then I will show you more. That is how it works, because it's my effort, guys. I didn't just get this like free as well. It took time, like I said. It takes time and so much pain and a blowing of accounts. I am not a financial advisor. I am just analyzing what I think it will happen. So thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful evening.